Let's open up the weather window this half hour and take a look outside live at the bluer sky over Charlottesville and Central Virginia as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera. A little bit of fog there in the far distance looking towards the Rivanna River, but overall a lot of today will be rain-free. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Here's your first forecast for Charlottesville and Central Virginia. A quick rise to the 80s at midday. A few clouds will try to billow on up into a stray shower or storm, but most of you will stay rain-free today for the Shenandoah Valley, Harrisonburg, Stanton to Waynesboro. Here's your first forecast, rising to the 70s by midday and then the lower 80s by the second half of the day. It'll be warm and humid, partly sunny skies, and especially on towards 5 and 6 o'clock, you are most favored to see the shower and storm chances begin to increase. Where is it raining right now? Well, for that, let's take a look at 29 First Alert Doppler radar, and it's showing us, well, it's dry area wide. No showers, no thunderstorms, but I can't completely rule out an isolated severe weather risk this evening, especially between 6 and 11. So when you join Dominique this evening for our newscast, she'll be tracking some showers and storms arriving from the west. Right now we have a complex of severe weather ongoing into Missouri, into Arkansas. This will produce a widespread swath of severe weather for portions of the Ohio Valley, the bluegrass of Kentucky, and points west. Now in weakening form, this will head our way by this evening. That's why there's a low end risk for severe weather. Now it will weaken a little bit more tomorrow, but I can't completely rule out a scattered severe thunderstorm on your Memorial Day, especially in the afternoon into the early evening hours. We have declared Monday afternoon and evening a first alert weather day for the possibility of those storms producing damaging wind gusts, large hail. The overall tornado and flood risks are low, but they're not completely zero. So keep checking the radar and updates here and also on our 29 First Alert weather app. Let's track it now. High res weather tracker is showing not a lot going on today. Here's 5 p.m. and then 6 to 11 west to east. Here comes that weakening band of showers and thunderstorms. There's 10 p.m. and they may try to linger somewhat overnight, but not a whole lot going on. Now, the thing to watch tomorrow is how much sun we get. The more sunshine we receive, the better chance for a strong to severe storm. Here's 6 p.m. A scattered severe storm is being represented on the Futurecast. Forecast today, partly sunny. Most areas stay dry in the 80s. It'll be humid though. Tonight, an evening shower and storm. Overnight lows in the 60s. Forecast on Memorial Day. It's a first alert weather day for the afternoon into the early evening hours. Highs will top out mostly in the low, if not mid 80s. 7-day forecast, improving conditions on Tuesday, less humid in the 80s. And how about 70s on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and overnight lows on the cooler side for sure.
Well, I see we got a cold spell coming up soon. Is that something we should worry about?
How about 40s on the first morning of June? That is quite cool. It'll feel cold to us, I think, by the 1st of June in the morning hours.
Well, thank you so much.